In this video, I'm going to do the got it from problem 4 along with problem 5. Now if you look at the got it, we got the U.S. consumption of carrots and celery and broccoli in millions of pounds over a 6-year period that can be modeled using these two polynomials. Just like in problem 4, we're simply going to combine our like terms. So if you can see that they're already put together, or you can see the ones that get put together, that's fine. You can reline them up if you want, but the main idea is you're going to put the like terms together because it wants you to add them together. So take the ones that are like terms and just add them together. So let's look. We have negative 12x cubed up here, and there are no 12x cubes down here. So we have negative 12x cubed total. Alright, now let's look at our x squareds. We have a positive 106x squared here, and we have a positive 14x squared down here. Add those together, and you get a positive 120x squared. Now we'll take the like terms of just the x's. Those are called the linear monomials because they just have an exponent of 1. We have negative 241 and negative 14 makes negative 255x. And we have 4,477 and 1,545. Add those together and you get a positive 6,022. So this is the model. Remember, a model is just an equation, okay, that represents the combination of the first equation, which was carrots and celery, and the second equation, which is broccoli. Just add the like terms together. Let's move on to problem 5. Now we're going to go on to subtracting. Now, if you can remember to distribute a negative, that's all that you have to do. Look at problem 5. We have two polynomials, and I have a minus sign between them. Simply take this negative, it's almost like a negative 1, it is like a negative 1, and you're just going to distribute it in. So the first is not being changed. X cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x. The second polynomial is what's changing. You can, instead of having a positive 7 inside, you have a minus 7x cubed. Instead of having a positive 5 inside, you have a minus 5x squared. Instead of having a minus 12 inside, you have a plus 12 on the outside. Combine your like terms. I have a x cubed and a negative 7x cubed. That makes a negative 6x cubed. I have a negative 3x squared and a negative 5x squared. That makes a minus 8x squared. I have a positive 5x, and that is the only x. And I have a plus 12 at the very end. Combine your like terms, you're all done. Just make sure you distribute your negative. Moving on is the got it. Again, notice the subtraction sign, make sure you distribute it in. The first stays the same, so just rewrite it. The second one gets the negative sign distributed to it. So you get a minus 4m squared, a minus m, and a plus 12. Notice each of these terms change their signs. Alright, let's look for like terms. I don't have any other m cubed, so I just bring the negative 4m cubed down. I only have the 1m squared, so I bring down the minus 4m squared. Notice how we're going in order by terms, by degrees. Now I have a minus m and a minus m. Remember, guys, those are 1's in front of them, so a minus 1 and a minus 1 makes a minus 2m. And then I have 9 and 12. Well, put 9 and 12 together and you get a positive 21. That's how you subtract polynomials.